recipe, they serve it during Ramadan.
Vegetables and fruits are so important that the Health Promotion Board, HPB of Singapore, recommends 2 servings of vegetables and 2 servings of fruit every single day. For the vegetables, consume more of the hydrating vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, celery, lettuce, as well as a variety of other colorful vegetables. This is ideal. Fantastic squash, lovely lentils, melons, and powerful pomegranates. Or some aubergines, rice and fish. And one of the first things to add to your grocery list for Ramadan are bananas. Also berries. What sort of berries do you have in season on your side of the world? Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries? You tell me. Also, stock up on dried fruits such as apricots, figs, raisins, or prunes. These also provide fiber as well as nutrients. Dry fruits and nuts taken together pack a punch. High quality protein will include grilled fish, lean meat, skinless chicken, turkey, fish, low-fat dairy products, and eggs. Vegetarians can have legumes and beans as a source of protein. How about brown rice and whole grains? Dates, Himalayan salt, low carbohydrate cooking oil, healthy fat sourced from plants like olive oil and nuts. I'm Dr. Hadiza, your friendly holistic reconstructive surgeon. Watch more on my fasting playlist and subscribe, like, and share the Medical Information channel.